Hi everybody, I'm Tbsp. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, hazelnut-cacao butter, aka vegan Nutella. By calling this thing Nutella is like calling a Ferrari a car. Technically, it's correct, but it definitely plays in a different league. It's easily prepared, and once you've tried it, you will never go back. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so for the hazelnut cacao butter, you will need 1 cup of hazelnuts, 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We will first start by roasting the hazelnuts to put them on a parchment paper. And we're going to roast them at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. This will make the blending that we will do afterwards much easier, and it allows the oils to come out more easily of the nuts. So that's why we start with roasting them. Alright, so the hazelnuts are roasted and they're still hot. So now we're gonna put them into the food processor, like this, and start blending. So first you will see it form some kind of meal and still keep on blending. At some point it starts to form clumps, and then you might have to scrape the sides a little bit. Yes, it's hot. And continue blending. And at some point it starts to become liquidish, and that's when you're almost there. So keep on blending for another 1 or 2 minutes. And once it's super creamy and smooth, we're gonna add the raw cacao powder, cane sugar, and salt. And blend it again for another 30 to 45 seconds. Alright, that should be it. And last but not least, I like to fill it into a jar so I can store it. And since it's very hot, you can easily store it for up to a week, if it lasts that long. Alright, so that's it. There we go. This hazelnut cacao butter is easily prepared and super delicious. You can either put it on a toast, you can eat your pancakes with it, or dip in some delicious fruits to go the extra mile. Anyway, this hazelnut cacao butter makes everybody happy. At least this one is going to make me happy. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna enjoy this butter now and hope you're having a fantastic day.